This is Gulzar Manohar. Today I will discuss Pakistan's current economic crisis and its result. Pakistan's stability increasingly depends on the outcome of an ever-worsening economic crisis. Amid skyrocketing inflation, political conflict between Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif's government and former Prime Minister Imran Khan, and surging terrorism, the country is facing the risk of a default due to its massive external debt obligations. This burden has been exacerbated by the derailment of the $6.5 billion International Monetary Fund (IMF) program Pakistan entered in 2019, as the international lender is unsatisfied with Pakistan's commitment to reform and ability to arrange for funds to meet external financing requirements. 1. Pakistan's debt composition and the terms on the debt. Multilateral debt, Paris Club debt, private debt and commercial loans, Chinese bilateral debt. 2. Short and medium-term debt repayment pressure. The major repayments in the next 3 years are to Chinese financial institutions, private creditors and Saudi Arabia. In 2024-25, Pakistan's debt servicing is likely to be around $24.6 billion, which includes $8.2 billion long-term debt repayments and another $14.5 billion short-term debt repayments. This includes major repayments to Chinese lenders of $3.8 billion. In 2025-26, the debt servicing burden is likely to be at least $23 billion. That year Pakistan is to pay back $8 billion in long-term debt, including repaying $1.8 billion for a Eurobond and $1.9 billion to Chinese commercial lender. 3. Exports, investments and remittances, and Pakistan's repayment calculus. 4. Options to manage external debt. So Pakistani leadership will depend on Middle Eastern partners and China, not just for existing rollover but also fresh loans if it seeks to avoid a default. What does this mean for Pakistan's stability? There is a real danger that nuclear-armed Pakistan, with a population of nearly 230 million people, may be unable to meet its external debt obligations, which will trigger a sovereign default.